Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Macomb, local and long-distance movers near me. Our reliable movers know how to make sure your long-distance move doesn't include all the stress. We help you move to the next state over or all the way across the nation. Our moving services give you all the best options to personalize your move for your particular needs. Using our team gives you easy access to all the necessary following services, including the following: packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It may not be simple to reconcile the expense of working with an Illinois moving company. A closer look at the advantages you receive from a local moving company may help you realize why it's a smart decision. The time savings you get may make using the services of a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. Movers can also make sure you don't need to stress over injury since you won't have to do any heavy lifting. Our experienced movers provide efficiency with every single move. Using a local moving company like 3 Movers, you get a streamlined move. We can easily complete even the biggest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Macomb moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.